To the line for two charities. Torpedo, very calm, but unable to connect from that area. Bukas pa ang ating laban. Schedule mamaya, i-update natin yung ating mga viewers, mga basketball lovers. 1 out of 2.
Alisin mo daw muna yun.
Shout out dyan sa ating lahat ng mga kaibigan na sa palibot na, nakikinig at nanonood, pinigil sa mga alam ko. So, very easy for the Riggers to call a violation dahil nasa harapan nila itong si one of the players of the Santa Clara team. Hamon, directing the play.
Inapusan man din nila pag inilagat.
Back to Gavin. Rotating the ball to the corner, Torpedo will receive. And Aticona able to have the ball. Ginos control under the ring. Third over yan. Number 3. Eto na, mga kapatid. Huwag kayong maalis dahil napakahigpit yung laban dito. 10-10 ang score. We are tied at 10. Napasa sa coach. Nangihinayag ito si Coach Tuto Capote. Sabi ko noon. Pero well, hindi na ako masali. So, substitution.
Ang charger.
Laugan,
Charger niya pa naman yung charger.
already 2 personal fouls. Laugan, nasisimuan. Ano si Isbik?
Ito pa. Oo. Dali lang man daw siya. Ginapapong ko kasi hindi na daw.
Torpedo, overcome na siya.
Tama na? Tama na?
Thank you, Kagawan. Si Kagawan, masyadong mahihain si Mario sa iyo. Pasok yan, Aticona. Hoy, tuloy na ng ball. Ito na si Luka Doncic. Doncic, ankle breaker crossover move. Again, Laugan. Foul committed. Too close. Laugan, tinawagan doon. Jersey number 331 daw. Shout out dyan sa mga barangay Kagawad na very active. Nandito sila ngayon.
Ay, shout out sa Chona. Nandito na nagkatingin.
And also our very active and very sport lover. Ang aking pinakamagandang classmate way back 1964. Grabe naman ito barangay. Honorable Chona Liga Amal. Nandito ngayon. Sana kaya? 5 to work with. Shot clock down to 5. And wala na. Honorable Chona Liga. Nandito daw at ang kanyang mapait na mister. Ang kaibigan natin. Hoy! Nandyan si Abdul. Ayan. Dayo-dayo tayo minsan dito. Sabay-sabay tayo mamaya. Hamon will try to survey the floor. Last 3 minutes and 43 seconds. Aticona wide open from the corner. Yes, sir! 21-footer for Aticona. No problem. Eto na sila Ugan. Anong nangyari sa kamay nito? Napakaraming tali. Laugan over to Jamoran. Tapos the key action. Jamoran extra pass to Bandela. Bandela will try to change direction. Bang! Bandela with a high basketball IQ. Bandela. Eto na si King. Wala. Big rebound by Bandela. Bandela nagmamadali. Oh, wide open from 3 almost. Pero ginamit yung katawan to grab the rebound. Habon. Oh, Luka Doncic, side-stepping move. Eto na, magpapalit. Substitution ulit. Gamit out. Walang gamit in. Walang gamit. Hoy. Eto na. Reserve time out. Hamon. Luka Doncic at the line. Bakit di pumasok yung kanyang tira doon? Luka Doncic try to adjust with his stroke from that line. Kuha na dito. Our official running score 14 to 15. 1 point lead. 14 PWH. Capote, stop and back. Wala. Big offensive rebound. Wow! Xander Ford will score.
Now, service at 48 seconds.
Eto na. Hawak ang bola ni Luka Doncic. 7-7. the way he moved. Inside to King, forward. Alapiano, Torpedo. Passes that ball to King, unable to connect, but Bandera will get another rebound. Bandera, paglaban na ni Nino. Bigay na dito. Wow! What a play by Dalig! Able to adjust sa mid-air. Able to change. Shifting direction. Labiano, tamang nag-i-action. Binigay dito sa ilalim. Kay Hamon. There was a whistle. Number 18. Penalty. 18 ang tinawagan doon. Itong si Mamadra. Torpedo now at the line. Sa dalawang free throw dahil na-foul siya, penalty ang kalaban. Torpedo, very obvious that Torpedo is a veteran player. Hindi natataranta, inday-inday, pero sigurado. Eto, dalawa ang pinasok niya. Time out has been called for Santa Clara. They are now up by only one. Napakagandang laban dito. Tingnan natin kung anong gagawin dito ng bench ng ating DPWH. Ang tagagawa ng ating napakagandang mga kalsada. Oh, Torquino pa, oh. Hindi pinawisan. 5 points na. Eto, tingnan naman natin yung kabila. Ano na naman ang kanilang diskarte dito? Though they are in the lead, pero kailangan nilang mag-adjust. Time is up. That timeout was brought to you by Denver Drinking Water. Okay, automatic sub. Etong si Chanko now in the ball game. His first appearance after coming off the bench. Itong si Chanko. Last 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Laogan has the ladder. Laogan. Eto na, sa gitna. Binigay dito. Laogan. Hindi niya makuha yung kanyang gusto gawin doon. Napagandang depensa. Mabatra! Wala! Wolo ah! Emphatically grabbing that rebound defensively. Ito na si Hamon. Lapiano wide open. Come closer. Lapiano! Pasok yan! Itong si Lapiano, lumalabas talaga yung kanyang pagiging leader dito in terms of scoring. Ito na si Dalig. Dalig will look it. Oh, Mandela! Long through. 0 out of 3. Ito hindi pa umiinit. But whistle sound. Ako nakaapak pa sa linya. Itong si Lapiano. Ito. Baseline inbound. Hamon. Binabantayan dito. Itong napakagaling na point guard na si Dalig. Eto na si Mandela sa gitna. Walang bantay. Nakalusot pero wala. Hindi makuha. Walang signal doon. Eto na si Luka Doncic side stepping off. Edward Ray! Patang! Ibang klase. Itong si Luka Doncic pa nakakuha ng momentum. No hesitation whatsoever. Hamon Luka Doncic is already with 7 points across the stage. Hindi pumasok yung Indrante doon. Laogan will get another rebound. Last 54 seconds. Laogan inside. What a play! Mamata moving well without the ball. Good recognition in the part of Laogan. 40 seconds left for the first quarter. Laogan with assist, second for him. Ito na Lapiano sa baseline. Easy points for him against Babatra. The veteran prevailed in that last sequence. Nicely done for him.
20 seconds.
20 seconds. 18 sa shot clock. Laogan will use the clock here. Dalig, aggressive move against Shanko. Dalig, the scoop shot wala. Dalig still has the ladder. Last 8 seconds. 5. Wala pa rin. Eto na. Articola. Time is up. Not counted. And the first quarter comes to an end. 23-20. Santa Clara down by 3 to end the first. More basketball action when we come back. Second quarter. After some reminders from studio.